Okay, regarding hematolymphoid, all those areas, when we talked about lymphoreticula system, we basically talked about lymphomas. If you can remember, we have divided lymphomas into Hodgkin lymphoma and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. You have been repeated question about Burkitt lymphoma, but remember follicular lymphoma is also an important topic, and also Hodgkin lymphoma is an important topic. And other than that, we have extensively talked about how the reactive patterns of histology also aids in diagnosis in this sort. But if you basically know about these, that would be enough. But go through each and every topic. And regarding the hematology section, bare minimum you have to at least before facing an exam, you have to be thorough with anemias, because this is one of the most common presentations in the community. So you have to be very thorough about it. The iron deficiency anemias, what are the deficiencies that are associated with it, and what are the blood picture findings. You have to know about the iron deficiency as well as macrocytic megaloblastic anemias. So blood pictures also you have to be familiarized with. And along with that, also one of the most common presentation in Sri Lanka is thalassemia. So you have to know about your thalassemias and all the other topics that we have covered in the lecture.